Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a microphone in OBS. To add and configure a microphone in OBS, these are the steps you need to take. First, launch OBS Studio on your computer, which of course I've done right here. Head over to scenes and select a scene of your choice. Then if you want to create a new scene, go ahead and click on this create new scene button. So you can of course select an existing scene, but for the create a new scene, click on this plus icon and head over to sources. So in the sources panel, click on the plus icon, then add a new source. In a sense, go ahead and click on audio input capture. Enter a name for your audio input source, which could be microphone. I'm just going to leave it at this. Now select OK. Now in the properties tab on the properties window, choose your microphone or audio input device from the device drop-down menu. My microphone is this. Then select OK. In the audio mixer panel, which is here, you'll see your microphone source listed. So use the slider to adjust the volume of the microphone to your desired level. Then you can configure the audio settings, which is totally optional. If you need to fine-tune your microphone settings, head over to settings. First off, I'm going to have to delete this because I don't want it to impact my audio and the recording. So go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on settings, it's going to open up the settings window, and I'm going to show you what to do next. Select audio in the left navigation panel. Here, you can set the mic/auxiliary audio to your desired microphone device here if needed. So go ahead and click on that and choose your microphone. My microphone is mic in front of panel. Now select apply and select OK. For additional audio adjustments, all right, you can just right click the microphone source in the source panel, which I have deleted. Then once you click on the microphone source, go ahead and right click on it and click on filters. Once you click on filters, you can add various filters such as noise gate, compressor, or gain to improve the audio quality. Now, to hear the microphone audio while streaming or recording, you can monitor the audio by going to Edit, click on this Edit tab at the top corner of your screen, click on Advanced Audio Properties, and then head over to the audio monitoring segment. So go ahead and set it to monitor and output for your mic, which is MIC/AUX. So click on monitor and output if you want to monitor that, and then select close. Always test your microphone to ensure it's picking up sound correctly and is balanced with other audio sources. By following the steps, you should have your microphone set up and working in OBS Studio. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.